Hello everyone, my name is Bieleta Samui, and today we are going to discuss about accessing electronic resources. First of all, electronic resources are digital materials that one can access online once he or she has connectivity to internet. Electronic resources can be accessed on different platforms and websites like Chambogo Library website, Makelele Library website, and many others. So once one has connectivity to internet, it is, maybe he or she is skilled in retrieving that information from online, then it is a very easy process for one to get that information. As well, that information includes electronic books, journals, and many others, and materials that or tools that can enable one to retrieve. We can use smartphones, laptops, computers, anything that can be connected to internet and then retrieve that information. Thank you.
Thank you so much. My name is Pina Maskonase Sheila, and I'm going to talk about some examples of electronic resources. One, we have electronic books, and electronic books, these are digital versions of printed books that can be read on computers, laptops, tablets, and so many others. Another point, we have online journals. Online journals, these are publications that can be contained with articles and printed papers, academic papers. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Nancy. My name is Shivan Chokonzere. I'm taking you through advantages of e-resources. First of all, we have accessibility, whereby everyone can access e-resources as long as someone or a user has internet. Next point, we have cost-effective, whereby e-resources are cheaper than printed materials, because e-resources doesn't need money for printing, binding.
Thank you, Miss Shivan. My name is Nadud Peace, and I'm going to talk about challenges faced in accessing e-resources in the libraries. One, we have poor internet connectivity. Many users struggle to access e-resources because of unstable internet connectivity, which makes it difficult for them to access the e-resources in the library. Another point, we have limited access to devices, for example, computers, smartphones. It makes it difficult for many users to access online platforms and also searching the resources in the libraries. We also have another challenge. This challenge is high cost of internet and subscriptions. This, when I say high cost of internet and subscriptions, like expensive data bundles and paid journals, subscriptions, they prevent many users from consistently accessing the online academic journals, which prevents them from accessing information. We also have another challenge. This challenge is complex authentication systems. Like when I said it means difficult procedures and restricted access access systems make it challenging for many users to enter and use the digital libraries. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Peace. My name is Kawangu Daifa. I'll you through the solutions to the challenges faced while accessing electronic resources. My first point is, the first solution could be use open access resources, whereby the libraries should provide an open access resource whereby they provide free resources, or they provide access to resources which can be accessed freely without paying any coin. And another point is, they should also subscribe to the paid electronic resources and provide the information to the users freely. And another point is, libraries should also provide an offline option, whereby they should provide options like PDF downloads, whereby a user can access the information or can navigate through the library website, access the information and download it offline such that he can view it offline. Solve the problem of high internet costs. And another solution is conduct ICT training sessions, whereby the library should conduct regular ICT training sessions to make sure that the library users learn how to use and navigate through the library website. And another point is, let the library staff teach the library users how to, or let the library teach information literacy skills, whereby this lets the users get the knowledge on how to access information online, evaluate and know the credible information needed. Thank you. And in conclusion, access to electronic resources. In conclusion, access to electronic resources is an easy process as long as one knows how to navigate through the library website or any websites